So this is August 29th, Sunday, and we are at a place we don't know, really, and we don't know the name of this waterfall, but it's really pretty. We asked Bill, he said he doesn't know. A lot of people around the water taking pictures, kids are posing for pictures, mommy taking pictures, and there's just a whole bunch of people, right?
Got it. Area says it's got to be true.
It's got to be true, yes, thank you. Waterfall number 2.
Y'all can share it. I'll pull it in half. Each of you can eat half of it.
Yeah.
Bill, stick it in your ear.
He'd probably crawl in my ear.
Probably. It will stay there. Oh, talk
I don't know. What did he say it is? It's a millipede. Why do you think it will stay? It doesn't stay. It moves.
Ooh. Ew.
What is
it looks
that?
like a rainworm, yeah.
What is that on your finger?
Squirt it on you.
They squirt it on their body so they taste bad, so something won't eat them. I wish he'd have done that after I put him down.
Yeah.
Nope.
Low waterfall. Just like that. And here's the second part of the waterfall. It's nice. A lot of excited people taking pictures. And here's the view from the east side of the waterfall. There was a salamander here a second ago. Walked, crawl under the rock right there. And this is view number 3 from the same waterfall, right from the big beautiful cave. The waterfall is right there. There, somewhere there. There's the people. Leslie taking pictures. Christina taking pictures, and her boy is throwing stones. And the rest of the people, they're just very disinterested. Right there, there's a campground. Like right there between the trees. Pretty cool. I think it's time to go back to civilization. This way. After a treacherous climb, we finally made it to the big rock.
You're okay. Ooh, look at that.
The Bill is showing off his yoga pose.
So we're going all the way up to the top.
Oh, he can't stand anymore.
He's ready to. He's like, okay, let's go.
Holy crapoly, that's like one big waterfall.
Isn't that amazing?
Now climb that.
Watch it.
I guess
Look at the top, right?
And a waterfall in its all glory.
Wow, you were like a little monkey climbing.
Holy crapoly, that's high. And it climbed to the middle of the falls. That little ledge. It's not fun at all. Straight up. Here's the midpoint of the falls. So there's the upper part. Here's the lower part. Let's see how low we can go. Before taking the plunge. There's the people down there. Yeah, right there. Yeah, that's about as far as I am willing to go. Not a whole lot of water, but it is very pretty. And on the way back, it's quite a lot of fun.
You're back, yeah.
Yeah, I'm back. I survived. I made it.
How was it?
It was nice.
Yeah, also. I don't know. What way better to take shots down?
Yeah, if you were missing a sliding rock, go ahead. I'll be filming it. This is the place for you.
I have a surfboard.
It's called your shorts.
What is my favorite mushroom?
Where's it? Dang, you got a lot of mushrooms.
Up.
You got a lot of mushrooms.
Probably I have to throw them away. Thank you.
I'm thinking like the whole, like, yeah, rock is
It's a pretty cool view. Everyone's just sitting on their butts in the middle of the woods.
Squatty.
Mosquitoes are eating. You know, if you sit too long, then the worms are gonna crawl up your shorts. Yo!
Ah, she just forget.
I did it on purpose. On your butt and sliding rock. Woo! That was a human avalanche. Come on, Leslie, you can do it. You want to jump? Well, you could.
Okay, please.
That's how you do it. Yes. Thank you. You want to
So
go?
what?
Oh, you need to. Well, yeah, you make.
Both hands.
Ah, not necessarily, but.
So my boss is not gonna get this mushrooms.
And after an hour of hiking or driving, our final reward: camping.
Our final reward.
Yes. So on occasion, hiking to the waterfall requires close encounters of other hikers.
Yes.
Close encounters and sharing. Yes, how you guys like it?
Say hi to the cameras, Travis. Say hi to the camera.
Wave.
Hold on, Travis.
Nice. Who just pinched me? Who just pinched me? Brian?
I did not want to pinch you, dude.
And sometimes you have to go over trees.
I don't know how you get through this wall.
I think you're stuck.
Yeah, go under.
In hours of treacherous crawl through a jungle rewarded us with this view. Mango roots and a big waterfall. It's like way colder than just like 10 feet back. The temperature changed so much. Bill got lost. Here's a view from under the waterfall. And our spread out group. Here's the photo shoot session.
Yes. Modeling 101.
Modeling. That's a wet t-shirt contest after all. And after many miles, well actually half a mile, and many nets that we had to sweat away, there's the Hemlock Falls. Hemlock Falls, beautiful place. What an algebra shot. Right there. Fun, joy. Nets, killing. And after another long and treacherous hike through woods, bushes, and marshes, we got another waterfall. This is the last waterfall of the day. Thank God it wasn't surprise. Here's the first settlers that live here. And here's the waterfall. There's more waterfall.